Welcome back to my channel, Sri Devi Divine Chants. So today we are going to understand the deeper meaning of the verse 17, which speaks about gentleness, which is the highest form of strength. Let us recite first and hear how to pronounce it. The verse goes like this. कामेशज्ञात सौभाग्यमार्दवोरुद्वयान्विता माणिक्यमुकुटाकार जानद्वय virajita. So verse number 17 describes the incomparable tenderness and radiant beauty of Ma Lalitambika. Beyond its poetic description, it teaches us that true beauty is found in gentleness, dignity, and purity of character. So let us first understand the words clearly. Kamesha Baddha Kamesha. Kamesha. Kamesha means the divine consort of Sri Lalita, that is Lord Kameshwara, representing supreme consciousness. Kamesha Jnata. Jnata means known or fully understood. Saubhagya, which means auspiciousness, blessedness, beauty, and divine excellence. Mardava, Mardavoru, Mardava Uru. We can say Mardavoru. So Mardava means softness, tenderness, and gentleness. Uru. Uru means thigh. Mardavoru, soft or tender thigh. Dvaya. Dvaya means two or a pair. Anvita, endowed with or possessing. Therefore, Kamesha Jnata Saubhagya Marda Voru Dvayanvita means she possesses a pair of exquisitely soft and auspicious thighs whose incomparable beauty and tenderness are fully known only to Lord Kameshwara. Now let us understand the second line. Manikya Mukutakara Janudvaya Virajita. Manikya. Manikya means ruby, a precious red gemstone. Mukuta. Mukuta means crown. Manikya Mukuta Akara. Akara means shape, form. Janu Dvaya. Janu means knee. Dvaya means the pair. Janudvaya Virajita. Virajita means shining brilliantly, that is appearing radiant or resplendent. Therefore, Manikya Mukutakara Janudvaya Virajita means Ma Lalitambika's two knees shine beautifully like magnificent crowns fashioned from precious rubies. The deeper spiritual meaning is the first line tells us that the Divine Mother's complete beauty and tenderness are known only to Kameshwara. This carries an important message, that is, the deepest qualities of a person cannot always be understood from outward appearance. The world may see our position, qualifications, possessions, or achievements, but the divine knows our intentions, our struggles, our sacrifices, and the true condition of our life, of our heart. The word Mardhava, Mardhava, Mardhavoru is Mardhava, meaning gentleness, is especially significant. Sri Lalitama is a source of immeasurable cosmic power, yet her nature is tender and compassionate. This teaches us that gentleness is not weakness, it is strength that has been purified by wisdom. The ruby like knees may be understood as symbols of dignity and purposeful movement. Knees enable us to stand, bend, and move forward. Spiritually, they remind us to progress with courage while remaining humble enough to bow before the divine. How can we bring this verse into our daily life? First, let our strength be expressed through kindness. At home, we can correct someone without humiliating them. At work, we can lead without becoming harsh. During disagreements, we can remain firm without using hurtful words. Second, we should avoid judging people only by what we see. Someone who appears cheerful may be carrying a hidden burden. A little patience and understanding may give that person great comfort. Third, every step we take should have a noble purpose. Before making an important choice, we can ask, will this decision protect my values and bring goodness into my life? Finally, we must learn both to stand with courage and to bow with humility. We should stand firmly for truth, but bow before God with gratitude. We should move confidently towards our goals, but never allow success to create arrogance. So, when we reflect upon this, verse 17 reminds us that physical beauty may attract attention, but gentleness earns love and noble conduct earns lasting respect. So, let us make, therefore, our words softer, our decisions wiser, and our actions more compassionate. The most precious beauty is not what others see on our face, it is what they experience through our behavior. May Sri Lalita Mahatripura Sundari give us the strength to remain gentle, the wisdom to walk on the right path, and the humility to recognize her presence in every heart. Om Parashaktiyai Namaha. Om Shri Matre Namaha.